Hello guys, welcome to Happy Wheels. I'm making a new series on my channel, the Happy Wheels series, and I'm just gonna play. You gotta play. Oh, the music stopped. Okay. Oh, okay. So there's there's no scrolling down. Car Thief. Let's play. Let's do this guy. What? Oh, what the heck? I guess that didn't work. Well, people told me to play these games. Oh, Jacksepticeye Spikeful. Let's see. Jacksepticeye gets a lot of levels. Jacksepticeye. Oh, I don't need to read this. This is only Jacksepticeye. Oh, I gotta use the arrow keys. Okay. And I jump like this. Oh, what's that? Oh, 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 oh. Oh! Oh, what do I do? Oh, that is disgusting. So I'm supposed to jump into the spikes? Oh, good. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, this might be the one. Ah! Oh my god, that hurt. There was like a million going on at the same time. Let's use... oh, okay. Well, it's just the man, I guess. Is that what it always is? Duh! Oh! Bad surprise. Oh! Ah! Okay. Oh wait, I can't move. Oh, I'm dead, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah. I guess he's dead. What did that do? Oh. Okay. Okay, that was weird. I'm just gonna quit. Went sword throw. They're all in a different language. I'm not gonna say what the language. That was so weird. I just killed that little kid. People say his name is Timmy. Jacksepticeye says he's Billy. So, oh god. Oh, what the heck? I threw backwards on him. Oh, god. Oh, don't get that. You don't get killed by that sword. No, no. I guess I failed that one. Okay, here we go. I'm supposed to jump. Oh. What the heck? Oh, whoa. Bounce me. Oh, this is cool. You're like, oh, what the heck? Oh, kill me. Did I do it? Yeah! Oh my god, I actually did it. I've played this before, but a long time ago. A long time. Let's beat these guys. 2, 1, go. Go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! Oh, that is disgusting. What is this? Oh. What is this? Oh, what the heck? What the heck, man? What the heck, guys? What the heck is this? Did I lose? I guess. Wait, no, did I lose? Is this tricking me? It's thinking I did this. Okay, now I lose. Okay, I'm picking a different character. Go! Wait a second. Okay, good. Oh, that was easy. Oh. Ah! Am I dead? No, I'm still going. Oh, what the heck? Oh my god. I guess I can't get that one. Wait. Which one? Santa Claus? Oh, I didn't mean to. Welcome. You have been chosen for a top secret government mission. Your job is to break into the national... What? I thought it was the Illuminati, I think. Oh, whoa, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the... It would have been a bad idea to be Santa. Let me out. Let me out. Because he's super... and he would have just exploded. Oh. I hate you, Gabe. Okay. Saw. Oh. Is it Saw? Like... Oh, I am Saw. Okay. What the heck? Flying upstairs. Okay. Oh wait, so I just go like this. Go! I just want really stairs. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Okay, that was weird. Oh, what is this? Whoa! What the? Whoa! Ah! My God! Ah! My head! Look at my head! Look at that! That is disgusting! Right, I'm gonna try it one more time. No. Oh, it's too hard. You can't do that. No, stop it. Okay. Oh, not this guy again. I don't want this guy. Noob? You think I'm a noob? I'm not a noob. Even though I landed in it. What? I jumped backwards? Wait, what is 1D? It's One Direction. I'm a very noob? It should be noob and then very noob. No, I shouldn't. I don't like this. Make me stop rolling off the screen. Okay. God. What? I made that. Wait, there are harpoons in this? Yeah! Oh my God. Oh! Stop rolling off the screen. Ah! I won. Well, I think that's all for this time, guys. If you enjoyed the video, smack that like button, comment, and subscribe like a gamer. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.